Got me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed girl Nina, God's favorite. And when I say that God took his time to create me, I mean you gotta look at all this beauty. And guys, today is such an amazing and a beautiful day. And yeah, special to me because it's my birthday. I'm turning a year older, and I decided to treat myself with a bedroom transformation into a birthday habit. And you know what, guys? Of course I'm talking about balloons, numbers, lights, and everything in between. All I ask of you is to stick around and watch how I do my decoration. And I have to mention that this video is gonna be informative to you because you learn step by step on how to do your birthday decoration by yourself. So these are the things I'm gonna be using. Of course, numbers, two numbers for my new age numbers. Kuna reflection ya light sijui inatoka wapi, but yeah, we got these two numbers. A pump. This pump is what we're gonna be using to pump air into the balloons. I got pink balloons, as you can see. What else? This is just a string. Let's call it a string for lack of the better word, its name. Then we have this tape to stick our balloons on the ceiling. So yeah, and the next thing we have is the happy birthday whatever foil balloon. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, first things first, balloons. I chose this color pink, as you can see, because they are so festive and they match my birthday theme. As I had told you earlier, that I also got a pink duvet to match everything, and pumping this balloon was a bit of a workout. Ooh la la, I didn't know that. I had no idea how much effort this takes, but it's all part of the fun, and I really enjoyed it, and I had someone to help me tie them because of my nails. And you know what, guys? Just look at these beauties coming to life. How beautiful is that? Look at this. And all along, we were having our own discussions, planning about 2025. And yeah, just hoping it's gonna be an easy year. I can't lie. And yeah, we really enjoyed it. And the next part was to pump the birthday tag foil balloon, as you can see. And I have to mention that this was my favorite because it's such a statement piece. It's so standing out, as you can see, and it was a bit tricky compared to regular balloons. You have to go slowly and make sure it doesn't overinflate, I mean. But once it's done, it looks so elegant and really ties the whole thing together. As you can see, I was so happy, like I couldn't hide it. Look at that, so festive and perfection for the celebration. I was getting so nervous pumping them. And this for balloons, because it was my first time. I was like, what if I overdo? But hey, it's all part of the excitement. And I have to mention that while I was pumping my later eye, it busted, like it overinflated. I was so shocked, like that bomb sound, like pa. Then I was like, oh, did I just overdo that? Like, how did it happen? And as you can see, I was also busy catching up with my friend. Yeah, I couldn't show you her face, but yo, it was really fun. It was my first time doing this, and I couldn't either.
I hear the beat
On to numbers.
in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't.
Guys, as you can see, I'm done settling the letters and the balloons. As you can see from the ceiling, the balloons look so cute, and I love the mixture of silver and gold. Then down there, as you can see, the happy birthday foil balloon, but it's so unfortunate that my letter I has busted, so I had to, let me just say, custom made it again. It has busted, like I put in so much air mpaka ikabust, but I'm gonna ride with it like that way. Then the next thing I wanna do is to change my bed sheets. As you can see, I got a new pink duvet. So
Guys,
I'm gonna
come
be showing you.
closer. I'm turning. I'm turning 25 years old. Okay, but I bought 26 because I feel I'm too mature for this life, and because I also want to reuse this number for my anniversary. So I'm done with the letters, and now it's time to make my bed. As I've said, I got this duvet. It's 6x7. Hi guys, I have been interrupted by a call, but back to what I was doing. I'm done with the balloons and the foil letters balloon, and as I was saying, it's time to make my bed. And I bought this 6x7 rubber duvet, pink in color. It comes with 4 pillowcases, 1 fleece bed sheet, 6x7, and then the duvet. So let's make my bed.
Guys, is there any better way to say sorry? You know what? Just as I was about to start making the bed, I realized, oops, I forgot to inflate the balloons to hold up the numbers. How could I miss that? Like, how? So, quick detour to fix that little detail. And you know what? These balloons are super important because they hold the number 26 in place, and we can't have a birthday setup without them standing tall and proud. Just as my new age, and of course my friend was here to help me do it. And honestly, this turned out to be a fun little break before diving back into the bed makeover. And let's be real, balloon inflating is basically a birthday workout at this point. Even though it was so much fun, let me tell you, it's such a lot of work. Anyway, let's make the bed now. Alright, guys, now we are on to the bed makeover after inflating the balloons to hold the numbers. Now, because what's a birthday setup without a cozy and refreshed bed? First, I'm stripping off the old beddings, as you can see from the video. And you know what? Out with the old, in with the new is such a satisfying feeling to start fresh. Repeat after me in the comment section. Out with the old, in with the new. Just as my new age. And guys, I have to mention that I had to go in with this mattress cover just to hold my mattress so tight and make it easy for the new bed sheet to fit in so well. I mean, to hold it up so strong and straight. So after this, it was so much fun to do, and it's simple, and just look at how it came out. And guys, I have to mention that for the new look, I went with the gorgeous pink set, the one I just showed you. Look at that, the excitement in my face as it all, it's soft, playful, and so perfectly on the theme. As you see, it matches the balloons, right? I know you'd want that too. Anyway, these pillowcases are giving luxury meets cozy, from the bed sheet to the pillowcases. And you know what? I have 4 pillows, so I had to get a duvet cover with 4 pillowcases to match the theme to complete it. And and the blanket is still pink. It's like a warm hug waiting for me at the end of the day. Oh la la! And guys, I'm so happy while editing this. I can't believe I shot this by myself. I did this for my new age. It feels so home, so homely, such a heaven for me. And you know what? This step might seem simple, but it makes such a difference. Just look at that and compare it with how my bed was before making it. There's just something about crisp, clean sheets that instantly make the room feel brighter and more inviting. I'm loving how it's all coming together. You can tell. Look at that duvet. Si hata wewe unataka kulala hapa. I know you'd want to have a bed like this. Anyway, I think pink might just be my new favorite color. I mean, just look at that. It's giving birthday queen energy. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you think about this pink color? It came out so well. You know what? And I was like, wow, I can just get myself uh other duvets, shouting colors, because this came out so well and perfectly. And with the bed done and the decoration up, I took step back to admire how everything was coming together. I added a few final touches like, the birthday banner. It's all about creating a space that feels special and personal to me. I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry. And guys, I think this is the final touch up. Yeah. Nasikia nimeongea sana. Anyway, look at that. Look at how it's turning up. And I have to mention that we are close to having the final look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Should I reveal it? Should I reveal it? Anyway, look at that. After spreading the bed so well and perfectly, I had to go in with placing the balloons, the inflated balloons to hold the numbers. I told you I turned 25 years, 11 months, and some few days old. But I was like, let me just go for the number 26. So when next year you see me using the same number 26, don't come for me. Please don't come for me. Anyway, and here it is, the final look. I'm absolutely loving how it turned out. This setup feels so warm and festive, and it's just the perfect way to celebrate my 26th. Let me just say 26th, my 25th birthday. It's amazing what a few decoration and a little effort can do to transform a room. And guys, I had to show you the whole bedroom look. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into my birthday celebration. Let me know in the comments what you think of the decoration or how you like to celebrate your birthday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you. Bye.